Are you having problems to receive notifications on Pinterest and not sure what are the problems you're currently facing or which notifications you're receiving and which is not? Then I'm going to show you a simple click of a button that you can use to fix this issue. Now, once you're inside your Pinterest account, click your profile in the upper right hand side and click on View Profile. In the middle, click on Edit Profile, and on the left hand side, click on Notifications. Now, what you can do is simply go through each of these notifications and find the ones that you want to receive. If you realize that there's something that you're not receiving, you can simply go ahead and toggle them on. But what if you're not sure? Because there are a ton of different notifications that you can choose from. All you have to do is simply click the reset button on the bottom. It's going to reset. Click on reset changes again. It's going to reset your Pinterest notifications to its defaults. So, or alternatively, you can just simply go through and just basically turn on all notifications that you want to receive. Once you're satisfied, just simply go ahead and click on save. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.